Safety first. Before working with anything electrical, always turn the power off. On your heating and cooling equipment, look for an electrical switch on the side of it and turn the switch to the off position. If you are unable to find a switch, go to your home's breaker box and turn off the switch that controls power to your heating and cooling system. This will protect you during the installation. To make sure you've turned off the power, change the temperature set point on your current thermostat. The old thermostat should indicate that it is cooling or heating. If your system doesn't turn on in a minute or two, you'll know you turned off the right switch on the breaker. Now we're ready to remove your old thermostat. Start by taking off the front of your thermostat. Some simply snap off, others may have screws you'll need to undo. With the front plate off, you can see the type of wiring your system has. If your thermostat is built into the wall and connected to thick wires with wire nuts, or if it's labeled 110, 120, or 240 volts, you have a high voltage system that is not compatible with the GLAS Smart Thermostat. Do not connect your thermostat to these high voltage wires. If you're ready to install GLAS, take a picture of the current wiring showing the wire colors and connections. This picture will come in handy when connecting your new thermostat. Your wiring color may vary. Label the wires before removing them from the old position using the labels included with GLAS. If you see a single wire connecting to an R, RC, or RH terminal on the old thermostat, label the wire as RC. Some thermostats will have a short jumper wire connecting between an R, RC, or RH terminal. You won't need it when installing your GLAS thermostat. Carefully remove the backplate. Use masking tape to secure the wires. This makes sure none of the wires fall back into the wall. Take a look at the wires that were removed to see if you have a wire labeled C. If you do, you can continue attaching your GLAS Smart Thermostat. If you do not see a wire connected to the C terminal, proceed to the instructions to install the C wire adapter into your heating and cooling system.